Hey guys, it's Dice here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by this title, we are going to be doing Spooktorial Season 4 Episode 2. In today's episode, we are going to be doing a Disgust from Inside Out makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be honest with you guys, this video started off as something completely different. I'm just gonna tell you guys. It started off as like a Princess Fiona, but then I was like, this looks more like Disgust. So honestly, it could be either or, but we just want more with the Disgust route in the end. You'll see once you get there. But yeah, I really like this makeup look. It was already filmed. Obviously, this is like after. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieved the Disgust from Inside Out makeup look, then just keep on watching. And now with the CC Beauty palette, I'm going to take the green and I'm going to use that just to like conceal my brows, just because we're going to be painting our whole face green. So like, why would I use a my color concealer, if that makes sense? Well, actually, I'm going to take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer and put it on the back of my hand and mix it with a little bit of the green, just because I feel like the CC Beauty palette works better when it's like mixed with something, if that makes sense. And now I'm going to use that same green just to prime my eyelids for eyeshadow. I think first I'm just going to take this BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush, and I'm going to take the first and second shade in the green row, and I'm just going to blend that into the crease. I'm going to take the third shade and put that into my crease as well. I'm going to take a little tiny bit of that black just to darken this up a little bit. And now I'm going to take some of this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer and just cut my crease with it. Okay, so I just took the white from the NYX Modern Dreamer palette and set that concealer, and then I took the M504 brush and I just blended out the outer corner just so it doesn't look like a stark line, and I'm gonna cut this crease. So with the LA Girl Gel eyeliner, I just lined my lash line, and now I'm gonna put on primer just to prime my face for the face paint. And I'm using the NYX Marshmallow Primer. I'm gonna take my earrings off, like I always do. So I'm gonna take some of this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer and mix it in with the green. Like I said, I feel like it works better when you mix it in with some type of like foundation or concealer. And I'm going to take a beauty sponge and just tap that out. And now I'm going to take a little bit of the white from the CC Beauty palette and mix it in with a tiny bit of the green for like under eye concealer. And now I'm going to take the green again and mix it in with a little bit of the black, and this is going to be for like contour and stuff. Now I'm going to set my whole entire face with the Airspun powder. And now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and I'm going to take the darkest green from the palette and just powder, like, contour with it. I'm gonna take this M4.2 brush. I'm gonna take the darkest green again and just pop that under my eyes. Now I'm gonna do some blush, and I'm just gonna take the first two pinks from the Makeup Revolution palette. Now for the lips, I'm gonna do like a pinky nude shade for the lips. So now I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. So I went off camera and put on a lash and just added this little, like, you know, because she has like a pink thing around her neck. This is the finished Disgust makeup look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think she is so cute. I love it so much. If you recreate this makeup look, you can tag me on my social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be linked down below. Please subscribe if you like spooky videos, if you like me, because we are obviously doing Spooktorial season, all spooky season, Spooktorial series, all spooky season, and it is basically where I do spooky Halloween type videos. And I would also love to have you, because I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ugh.